and it is about 76 degrees today. It's partly cloudy, but you know, when that sun comes out, it really reaches about 80. Cheers to 2022, first grill day of the year. Look at this kid. Sinister. He caught the perch again. That perch is gonna die today. Lake! What are you doing to the perch? Leave the perch alone. Leave it alone. Hey! So leave it alone. Play with the turtle. Here's a turtle. Huh? Play with the turtle. Why are you making out with the door? Hey man. Leave that perch alone. Alright, okay. Bye. Community day. Let's see you catch a Pokemon. This is multitasking at the best.
No shiny.
Alright.
It's alright. I will catch it.
One more try. Third time's a charm. Focus.
Nope. Oh.
That's Cook on the back. Can't autofocus on her. Why you all wet? Ugh. Faker?
Gotta drive in the sun, baby.
That's it for your rod, man. Ugh. Got that working. And I'm gonna char up the buns a little bit. There you go. That's how you do it, you know what I'm saying? That is how you do it. Like that. Oh, that is good. That is good. Two dogs. Coming up. Bam, there it is. The finished hot dog product. Chicago, Milwaukee style. The 7871 style right there. I think I heard baby over here. Hi, Luna. Luna is sleeping. Big bite, right here.
Motion detected in the backyard.
Mmm.
Good.
Mmm. What we got here? Steak with plenty of green and herbs. And just regular medium rare steak with some A1 sauce. And your choice of beverage. How you do it on a Saturday. And your choice of naughty kids as well.
Fat boy, say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you heard, baby? Let's go get baby. Let's go get baby.
Went back to the grill to cook Lake a hot dog, and I thought she was picking on a hot dog. It looked clean, but she looks guilty. Look at that mustard. The forensics evidence don't lie. Here, Coco. High five. High five. High five. Fine. Nope, you didn't want it. Give it to Coco.
Go.
I knew it. You're gonna bubble regardless. That cold ass water. About an hour later. Lake! What are you doing? What happened to your fish? It turned into a dinosaur? Dude. What's Slinky doing in there? Lake, say hello. Say hello. Say hi.
Say hi.
Lake. Domo. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Whoa, be careful there.
Hi, Mommy and Luna.
Hello. Sweet Luna.
Sweet Luna. Nuku. Freaking. Like got water on the freaking lens. You gonna go kiss? You gonna kiss Luna too?
You're too close.
Ooh, I see you, Mommy. Oh, pretty cool. I'm gonna show her how it looks later. I seen what you did with the next ice cubes.
What?
The raspberries.
Yeah.
The kids are all asleep. I think. Oh. Not Luna. She's a star.
She's tired, but she just wants to be held.
Coco's had enough of the day. This wild boy has had enough. I think
He had the most fun.
he used to be a fish or dolphin in his past life or something. Hence his name is Lake. And we're just slowly trying to calm Luna down. That's probably gonna end our day. Mommy has not caught a shiny in Pokemon.
I caught one.
Oh. Oh.
Can't think like 8.
No, and I think there's like 40 minutes left of the community day. I gotta help Mommy catch a shiny so I can trade her. But yeah. What about you, huh? You've been eating all the hot dogs.
Stealing.
She's like, don't.
Get her from the side.
How do you know how to do that, Coco? Like, don't record me.
So cute, Coco.
How do you know how to act like that? She's like, don't record me. Alright. That's it. Bye.